Highly skilled, with a pedigree built as an American investment banker, Bob Diamond didn't look like a man full of remorse. In resigning, he had cast a question over whether the Bank of England had influenced rate fixing. He started his evidence by expressing regret over the action of others.
Clearly there were mistakes, clearly there was behavior that was reprehensible, but as soon as this was recognized, Barclays put all forces. If there's a mistake, if there's a problem, how do we handle it? What do we do about it?
Behind all of this was the UK credit crunch, which left banks gasping for finance at the end of 2008. Lending between banks dried up as interest rates, known as LIBOR, shot up. So the UK government pumped almost $60 billion into the system to keep the credit flowing, and they took a dim view of banks failing to lend. Diamond was pressed over a phone conversation with Deputy Governor of the Bank of England, Paul Tucker, in 2008, when he referred to Barclays' LIBOR rates being high. Did he feel under pressure to lower them?
I didn't believe it was an instruction.
So what was it, a nod and a wink?
The most important thing of that note to me, Chairman, was the comment that there was a perception in Whitehall that our rates were high.
So is this all going anyway towards restoring confidence in Britain's banks? The answer is no for now, and some believe the damage is irreversible. The Barclays brand may be in the spotlight now, but protesters here are calling for a move away from all the big banks, and they say support is growing.
People recognised that what the banks were doing wasn't fair play. They were rigging the interest rates to bolster their profits, protect themselves from losses, irrespective of what that meant for people's mortgages, loans, credit cards, their children's student loans, and perhaps even their pension pots as well. And that sense of fair play is going to be very hard to rebuild without some radical change in the way the entire industry is structured.
It may have been down to a small minority of wrongdoers, but this banking system can no longer number itself as one of Britain's most respected and trusted institutions.